Let's dive into an essential concept in modern web development: HTML semantic elements. Semantic elements describe the role of content on a web page. Unlike non-semantic elements like div or span, these elements give meaning to the content they wrap, improving readability for both developers and browsers. They also enhance SEO and accessibility. Let's see some common semantic elements. Header defines the header section, usually containing the site's logo, navigation links, or introductory text. NAV specifies a section for navigation links like menus or links to different sections. Main wraps the primary content of the web page, excluding sidebars or headers. Article used for independent, self-contained content like blog posts or news articles. Section defines a thematic grouping of content, typically with its heading. Aside contains content related to the main content, such as sidebars, advertisements, or related links. Footer marks the footer section of the page, often including copyright information or site links. Now, let's see how these elements are used together in a web page. In this example, the header contains the site's title and navigation links. The main holds the primary content, including an article with a welcome message and a section for updates. The aside offers related links. And the footer wraps up the page with copyright information. Semantic elements not only organize the content, but also improve SEO and accessibility by helping search engines and assistive technologies understand the structure of the web page. To practice these topics, open the description and click the relevant link. Read the detailed explanation on the page. Scroll down to the bottom and try it yourself using the live editor. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you understand the topics correctly.